We are out here in Meadows of Dan today. My buddy Jason Summerall and I are going to fly some drones, but we're out here on the 7 acres that my sister and I have, and we're doing a deal with my new friend Vanessa Egger over here. She has goats, and so we are clearing property, or she is rather, because I can't take credit for this at all. If you've ever been interested or have heard of goats clearing out land that would be terribly difficult to get to by conventional means, so here it is. This is something we're trying. But we're not trying, we're going to succeed at it. She knows goats. Here's the beginning of this project. We're going to come in here and just start munching away like Pac-Man. Just clear all this mess out. We'll be able to see and get down to beautiful Mayberry Creek coming through here. Can't wait to see what it evolves into. Now it's time to fly some drones. Oh my gosh. Damn, dude. Hello, sir or ma'am. Should you see a drone, please call me back and I will come and get it. I lost it on your property somewhere. It's out there somewhere. If you ever see a thing on your screen that says expert pilots only, GPS not found, do not fly your drone, or you'll be having conversations like this. Oh. I am a card-carrying member of that club, by the way. And you only do it once.
Question mark.